Hey there, welcome back. Nick here from TopmaQ, your go-to place for gear for industry. Today we are talking about our full range of LPG, electric and diesel powered heaters, available at topmaq.co.nz. Our diesel powered options are a great economical solution and are perfect for heating large open spaces. We even have options that are indirect fired with a flue to expel fumes away from an area. LPG are a clean burning, portable, quieter option which are perfect for garages and workshops with zero chance of spilling fuel. We have silent, electric, infrared, radiant ceiling hung options that are perfect for restaurants, showrooms and retail environments where a silent, unintrusive option is required. These also come equipped with a convenient wireless remote for ease of use. TopmaQ also have Fanforced options ranging from 5kW to 30kW, 3-phase, conveniently ready for direct hardwiring, or larger solutions ready for attaching a 3-phase plug. Alternatively, if plug and play is required for a smaller space, we have a 2.4kW fan heating option available. So come down and have a chat to one of our team members about finding the perfect heating solution for you. I'm Nick from TopmaQ and we'll see you next time.